Did you know Ayurveda is a powder which, when applied on baby's body, can prevent them from catching cough and cold? Yes, you heard it right. When used in a specific way, this powder supports breathing and prevents Kapha dosha in babies. This is the powder of the herb Vacha. When powdered Vacha is applied on baby's chest and back daily after bath, it supports respiratory comfort and prevents babies from catching cough and cold. To know more about Vacha in detail, watch our doctor-led tutorial on Mom's Mantra.